So we're at the Surgery Center of Viera here in Florida, and this gentleman just literally came out of the operating room about 2 hours ago. He had a 3-level cervical decompression infusion with a plate and screws. And your problems began about 4 or 5 years ago with a work injury lifting something heavy, right?
Actually, it wasn't all that heavy, just awkward, and started to lost my grip and went down fast to get it. And I guess that's what it all happened.
So he had herniated discs at 3 levels, C4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, with pinched nerves. How's that arm doing now that you've had the surgery?
Feels fine right now, yeah.
Great.
No problem.
No pain?
No, nothing in the arm.
Great, fantastic. And where are you going now?
Home.
So, are you going to do a dance for us? I got 2 pretty ladies right here for you who love to dance.
Song would be my guess.
All right. So you think you can dance a little bit?
You have any
You got your
moves?
flip-flops.
Got a bad knee on there. So
All right, very good.
got a lot of,
But you're feeling pretty good?
yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'll say this pain up here will go away. And
Yep.
thank you.
You're welcome. We'll check on you next week.